Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to see how we can resolve error related with the posting periods actually. If you can see my screen, there is an error while doing the good receipt with the movement type of 501, and system says posting only possible in period of 2022/08 and 2022/07 in particular company code. Okay, if we can click on the question mark, and we can see this error message number is M7053. So let's try to resolve it, and let me close this window. What I'll do, I'll open another session here, and I'll go to MMRV in order to check what all are the current posting periods available for the company code RCC1. So once you arrive on MMRV, then type your company code and press enter button. I can see the current period is 08 and previous period was 07. But if I'll say system date, we are in September now. Okay, so to resolve it, we need to go to MMPV. Very simple. Type your company code RCC1, then again provide RCC1. Okay, then type the current period, which is 09, and the physical year is 2022. Okay, this is for your practice only. In real time, this job will be happening automatically. Your respective team will be having appropriate schedule to open and close the period, but in class you can do this practice. Okay, so there are three options on the screen: check and close period, check period only, close period only. Okay, so let's select check and close the period. Execute. We can see mode was check and close period, company code RCC1 converted, period closing complete, log issued. That means the period closing and opening has been completed now. Okay, so maybe I'll go again MMRV, my mistake, and type your company code. Now you can see the current period is 09 and previous is 08. Okay, so let me try to execute this transaction once again. Now if I click on the check, now I can see there is another error: no stock posting possible for this material. We will be resolving this error in next video. Till the time, do your practice, and if you have any question, please feel free to use chat section, or you can also send that query over the email. If you like the video, if you like the content, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channel.